Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to another video on our YouTube channel. Today we're going to be doing one more little piece of chrome that I got for the 2014 Up Street Glide. I want to take the time right now to thank everybody that's jumped on to subscribing to the channel. Appreciate the heck out of all you guys. It helps us keep this channel alive. And if you haven't already, guys, please consider hitting that subscribe button. Once you hit that subscribe button, guys, you'll get a little thing that looks like this. Say subscribed on it and have a little bell next to it. You click that little bell and it'll alert you when we have a new video that comes online. Now guys, just a few weeks ago, I bought a product from CIRO3D. This is a company that I'd kind of heard of, but never purchased anything for. There's no CIRO3D products on this bike. Went out on a limb and got the throttle servo cover and was pretty impressed with it. When I was looking at the throttle servo cover on the CIRO3D website, I found a cover for the engine stabilizer bar. It's something that I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's a very small piece of chrome, guys, and it is stick-on, but it is chrome metal. It's not plastic, so pretty impressed with that. Right up underneath here above your motor, you got your engine stabilizer bar that runs across there. And you guys, you can get the chrome ones and just replace the whole engine stabilizer bar, but it's pretty pricey for a chrome one, so I wanted to see if they had a cover. There's another company out there that makes a cover for it, guys, and I seen it a long time ago and was not impressed with it at all. It's very blocky and just kind of gaudy looking, and I've had a little bit of bad luck with that company in the past, so I just kind of steered clear of that one. I was actually very surprised when I found this one because it actually takes the shape and the form of the engine stabilizer bar, the nuts and bolts and the rod. It's not just a blocky cover that sets over it. Now it does come with a well-written instruction, guys, very easy to read. This is just a 3M sticky tape kind of application, so it's very easy. It's easy to read, got a picture on there, shows you what to do. Got this in the camera so you can see it just a little bit better. You can't goof this up, guys. It only goes one way. There's your red tape. A side note here, guys, if you do have the chrome neck cover, this part over here goes up underneath that neck cover, so you're gonna have to pull the other side neck cover off to get this on and put your neck cover back on. So I'm just gonna test fit this now. So as you can see right there, guys, it just kind of covers that nut and then covers the whole stabilizer bar. And once we get it installed, I'll try to sneak the camera in down there. I got the lowers on the bike, so it's a little bit hard to see, but you can see it through here. And I have all this chrome in here, and then I just had this kind of stainless brushed look stabilizer bar. So definitely going to dress up that area real nice. So with any 3M or double-sided sticky tape, guys, it's always a good idea, and it's recommended to go ahead and scratch that up with your thumbnail, and it really activates the glue behind that. Make sure wherever you're putting this is clean. Once we get it all rubbed up with our thumb, guys, and get the glue activated, just peel the red layer off. You'll line it up all the way and then flip it over onto the bar. Just like that, and it'll fall right into place. And then just get in there with your hands and really push down on it on both sides and get that stuck. All right, guys, I brought my camera around to the other side, and you can actually see it a lot better even with the lowers on. You can see right down in here, and I did have to take this chrome neck cover and stuff off because it does cover the end of this, but this will fit right down in there, guys. You smash it down real good. Make sure it's really secure on there. But once you get that stuck on there, I can put my chrome neck cover back on and just button all this back up. So that's pretty much it, guys. A very simple, easy install that you can do at home, and it's very affordable. It just covers up that stabilizer bar, gets a nice piece of shiny chrome on there. If you're interested in that part from CIRO3D, it's part number 73050. You can look that up online and find that stabilizer bar. So not a big, huge deal, guys, and not a hard install, but it's just those little things that kind of set your bike apart from everybody else. So check out our YouTube channel, guys. We got over 70 Street Glide upgrade videos, 2 from CIRO3D now, and we're gonna have more to come, guys. So if you haven't subscribed, please consider doing that now. Like I said, you're gonna get the bell icon. Hit the bell icon, and it'll let you know every time we do an upgrade to our Street Glide or our buddies. We try to get it on camera so you can see it and make an informed decision of whether or not you want that part on your bike. But hey, I'm out of here, guys, and until the next video, as always, be safe and keep your knees in the breeze.